lower house is continuing its hearings on issues concerning PhilHealth and a measure that seeks to declare extrajudicial killing, or EJK, as a heinous crime. This and other developments in tonight's House wrap-up by Melalas Moras.
The Philippine Health Insurance Corporation has assured the public it will further improve its services and benefit packages despite issues on funding this year. During the continuation of the hearing of the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability on the zero subsidy for PhilHealth under the 2025 General Appropriations Act, PhilHealth President and CEO Emmanuel Ledesma Jr. emphasized that instead of reducing benefits, they have actually increased the services they provide to their members, so the public has nothing to worry about. With or without a subsidy, he said, PhilHealth has its own funds to sustain operations.
PhilHealth remains on track in the mission to make quality healthcare much more equitable and much more accessible. I am confident in this determination, as this year will showcase even much better results stemming from the strategic organizational streamlining and operational refinements that have been carried out in the past 2 years under my administration.
Agri-Party List Representative Wilbert Lee, on the other hand, emphasized that aside from PhilHealth, hospitals in the country should also be prioritized and get necessary help.
Tayo po ay nag-file ng House Bill na sana magbigay ng amnesty dito. No? Of course, i-quantify natin kung ano yung mga bibigyan ng amnesty. No? Useless itong ipinaglalaban natin kung wala namang mga hospital na tatanggap. No? So yun ang pinanggagalingan natin dito. No?
Meanwhile, in a separate House hearing, the Committee on Justice has continued its discussions on the proposed declaration of extrajudicial killing as a heinous crime and the strengthening of penalties for such acts, an initiative developed and proposed by the House Quad Committee. According to Quadcom lead Chair Robert Ace Barbers, he is pleased with the progress of the proposal, although there is still much work to be done.
Maganda because we consulted the different sectors from several resource persons. Sang-ayon sila no, na magkaroon ng extrajudicial killing o batas no, against the extrajudicial killing. Nasa proseso pa rin kami ng pagdedebate, pagde-deliberate dito.
Melalas Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.